Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring with the Google Home app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Under network and internet, you can see that I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. After this, let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Tap on network and internet. Tap on internet. Here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After this, we can start screen mirroring. In mobile phone, open Google Play Store. Tap on this icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Tap here. See, you can see Google Home app has detected one Android TV and one Google TV. Google TV. This is the name of this TV. Tap on this TV name, Google TV. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, now screen mirroring is working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV. So next I will show you how we can stop this screen mirroring. Again, go to Google Home app. Here you can see stop mirroring option. Tap here. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring with the Google Home app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.